Well, how you doing? This is Hans the Ramen Noodle coming back at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that hails from Walmart. This is their Panda Signature Ramen Noodle Soup Chicken flavor. And here is my daughter Mimi. How you doing, Mimi? Good. Are you saying hi to the nice people? So what you doing?
I'm going to have school.
Yeah, you're gonna have school. You gotta talk louder so they can hear you.
Hi, nice people.
Hello, nice people.
Peekaboo.
Go have fun. Love you.
Goodbye.
She's a nut. So, yeah, this one you can microwave. I've gotten a lot of comments on this one. People have been just flipping out about it. And the last comment I saw was like, this one was so disgusting and gross. I swear, when I tried it yesterday, it made me puke and blah, 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 blah. It's like, I'm sorry, but I'm not buying it. I don't think there's any way, shape, or form this is that bad. We'll find out, you know. I've had a couple of these varieties that were microwaved that I didn't like so much, but I've had other ones that really weren't bad. So they did mention to me at one point that they were doing a reformulation and that they'd love some help in flavor matching or profiling. So I am more than happy because, I mean, these guys are just trying to make stuff happen. You know, just like any other company. Alright. So, where's something? Mimi, stop making all that racket. I swear. Down. We're gonna do this for 3 minutes. Yeah. All right. So this is a LG 1250 watt microwave. So I run it at 70% for 1000 watt. Technically it should be 80, but it seems like 80% is just way too much. So anyways, who speaks? Momofuku Endo speaks. These are quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. Getting in the waning days of this book, although we'll start it at the beginning once it's done, so. Number 269, right? Yeah. 269. Pork tastes best when it comes from a neutered male pig. These pigs fatten faster, and their meat smells less and is more tender. If this is the first and only episode you've ever seen of this show, you should be like, this guy's all over the place, man. Because he's like gone and talked about like business philosophy. Now he's talking about food he likes, or how he's like, he's got a lot going on. My guess is he's met a lot of interesting people in his day and gotten a lot of advice. But yeah, this Panda Signature stuff has gotten a lot of bad rap. Some of it, I will say that I've had, was definitely subpar, but not the entire range. There's a couple ones that weren't bad. The pack version chicken tasted like a chicken instant noodle. It really didn't. I didn't have any problem with it. Then the beef pack one wasn't bad. It actually tasted like a Chinese braised beef one. These ones are made in the People's Republic of China. People have these theories like, oh, they put PRC because they don't want people to know that they're made in China. It's like, if you go to Walmart, 90% of the products you're gonna pick up are just gonna say made in China, so. But, you know, it's a big conspiracy. I don't know. But what happened is it replaced Marachon. And so there's just like all this upheaval. People are freaking out. And just don't go to Walmart. Simple. Everybody else has Marachon if you don't like this brand. But you don't need to be a dick about it. Jeez. Yeah, sound like a bunch of entitled American consumers doing that crap, I swear. Ah, it is on. Okay. So let me get a bowl. What should I use? I could use the chicken bowl. I got a bowl that has a picture of a chicken on it. That kind of makes sense. Shush out there. Dirty rats. Dirty rats. I like that bowl. Alright, let's see if I can reach this bowl. There it is. Mimi! Knock it off! Sorry to be so loud, but she doesn't listen. The knocking it off doesn't help. She don't want to listen. Okay, let's put this one up here. Pardon my gut if you had to witness that. I'm going to use that one. I like that. Yeah, they've been like hanging out on the couch, kicking each other today. And then of course they come to me and they're like, oh no. That's something I do not like in an instant noodle, is when it boils over in the microwave, because you know what that means? Hold on. Hey, all done. You guys want timeouts? Then sit on the couch, don't jump on it, and don't kick each other on the couch, because that's going to get you sailing right into timeout, okay? Do what I say. Yeah! Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't know what it is. All these people need to get their frickin' COVID shots so my kids can safely go back to school. That's like the new thing. People don't want to get their COVID shot. It's all political. Stupid. Get your damn COVID shot. Don't be a douchebag. I guess in this area, like 30% of the kids didn't go to school. My kid's in that 30%. Like there's so many people around that just don't want to get the shot. And I understand being afraid, you know, but... the amount of conspiracy theory out there is like ridiculous. You know, in Canada, it's illegal to, there's like a department of, I don't know, it's like a, there's a law of like you can't publish certain things, and like it has to be truthful. If you publish like stuff that's meant to mislead people, you can get fined or worse. Ugh. Okay. Here is the stuff that people have said smells like cat pee. No. In fact, this one, the other ones, the spicy chili or whatever, lime chili, that was it, or chili lime. The chili lime smelled like an AC that got turned on for the first time in like a month. You know, that funky freonish smell, that weird smell. But this one, they don't. I suspect that a lot of these posts about Panda signature are not by humans. The noodle's not bad. It's not my favorite, but it's not bad. Broth. You know, if that's what cat piss tastes like, cat piss doesn't taste so bad. So that's like, yeah, people were saying, just freaking out. I almost puked when I smelled it. I couldn't eat it. Da. Like, really? People are just one-upping yourself. Just be careful. Companies listen to consumers. You may talk yourself into a product you really don't want. It's true. I will say right now, this versus an instant lunch cup, I don't really like to do this, but I would probably go for this over the instant lunch cup. I'll be honest. Nothing against Marushan, but I don't really like those cups all that extremely much. Here's some spring onion. Somebody's gonna, I got one the other day. I said something positive, and somebody was like, yeah, he must be on their payroll, because this is like really bad, blah, blah. So they just like, I really don't understand. I think, it could be the, what do you call them? The Epic Times folks, because this is a product from China, but then they would hate Walmart all around. I just don't understand. I've actually been on their channel. What was it? NTD News, New Tang Dynasty. They were fun. They were nice people. Well, I did that about instant noodles a few years ago, top 10 list. But they would never put anything that was made in China in any publications from my lists, and I never understood why. And then oh, okay. Yeah, Falun Gong is a group that they've gotten a raw deal from the Chinese government, but that's just kind of the deal. But they've moved. But yeah, rotato. Rotate. Let's do this. All right, well, So yeah, this one, Panda Signature Ramen Noodle Soup. I'm not gonna say that it's my favorite by any means. I've had many varieties that are much better as far as a chicken instant, but it's not bad. I mean, it's a 37-cent cup of noodles. In fact, you can get if you want to get a 6-pack, I think it's like $1.74. I mean, that's cheap. You get what you pay for. Anyway, I'm the Hanzo Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Mimi wants to say goodbye to you now.
Goodbye.
What else are you gonna say? They're watching. They're waiting for you to talk.
Peekaboo.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.